Hey to all. Today our topic is sugarcane harvester. Myself, Dr. P. Suresh Kumar, Department of Mechanical Engineering. Then, why we need a sugarcane harvester in villages? There is manpower shortages available for harvesting the sugarcane farms, and also for lifting the cutted sugarcane and transport from field to vehicle is the huge headache available with the farmers, and also they are having lot of hazards with the insects and the snakes, so that we need sugarcane harvester with the mechanized machine. The solution for these problems to build a machine to reduce the work of harvesting sugarcane. What are all the works available with the sugarcane harvester means, with the aid of manpower shortage, how can I harvest the sugarcane land, and how do I transport the cutted sugarcane from field to vehicle, and also how can we get escape from hazardous insects. Likewise, lot of solutions we needed, and also to cut and separate the can and the shield in the field itself. This, which is the huge headache available with the sugarcane farmers. Okay, these are all the solutions provided by our engineers. The challenges with the huge machines. Already we are having the huge machines. The challenges with the huge machines cannot cover small field areas. In Tamil Nadu, there are, or India, there are farms looking like a small and the shortest corner farms are available. So in that area, the huge machines cannot have a cover the small corners. Okay, and then huge machines may produce more wastage than manual harvesting, and also periodic maintenance cost may be more. Okay, and also very high tooling cost and operation cost is required for huge machines, and also farmers spend more cost for lease and renting the machines, so that we go for design the new smallest and portable machines. In that mechanism of power drive shaft is produced with a single power source, which is IC engine. Okay, IC engine power source utilized for move the actuators, and also the IC engine actuates the compressor for producing the air. Why we utilize the compressor here? You see the video, you can understand. Okay, the the small compressor is available, and this compressor is operated with the IC engine. We utilize the air pump is to operate the cutter and belt conveyor, and also bottom cutter. Likewise, two cutters are available and the belt conveyor available. The cutters are cutting the sugar cane from the field, and the belt conveyor is used to transport the cutted falling sugar cans to the side areas. For this purpose, we introduce different mechanisms, and also these mechanisms are operated by single power source, which is IC engine and the air compressor. The cutter and the belt conveyor are operated by air pump. So the single power source is enough to operate the overall machine. So it is called as portable machine. Okay. So two different cutters for the sheath and the can, which will separate them and pile them separately. From the two cutters, one top cutter and the bottom cutter is available. Why we need top cutter means we harvest the sugar cane from bottom side and also top side. Okay, then this machine can be converted it into portable and can be easily assembly in the field itself. These are all the advantages available with the new portable machines. Risk with the sugarcane harvester. What are all the risks available with this portable sugarcane cutter means, field testing is a huge risk with the practical application of this equipment into sugarcane field, and the patenting of this sugarcane harvester, and also environmental effects with the IC engine. How can we reduce the environmental effects with the aid of solar panels? Solar panels we introduce in that machine, and also we can control all the mechanisms with the sugarcane produced power. Okay, and then now you may see the introduced sugarcane harvester with the field. and the technicians are operated the sugarcane cutter machine with the field. They conducted field testing. In that bottom cutter is the cutter sugarcane at the bottom level, and the top level blade is cut at the top level of sugarcane, and also you can see the overall sugarcane results. Okay, the sugarcane leaves are cutted with the top level sugarcane cutter. Okay, top level cutter is use the cutter leaves available with the sugarcane. It cutted out the leaves of sugarcane. Okay. And also bottom cutter is used to cut the sugar cane from its roots. Okay, so that bottom cutter can cut the sugar cane stem at the root level. Okay, the tapper is given for collects the n number of sugar cane cutter into the cutter. It gives the pathway of sugar cane cutter to air pump cutter. And also next question, the cutter sugar cans are falling down. How can we arrest? You see this video. The total machine is operated with a single power source, and in the middle of the machine we introduce our belt conveyor. This belt conveyor collects the falling down of sugar can, cutted sugar can. So the cutter, top cutter is cuts the leaf of sugar can, and in between the belt conveyor is available the path to capture the falling sugar can during the harvesting. Okay, with the aid of air pump. My student Karthikeyan operates the machine. Okay. The IC engine is used to operate the compressor. From the pressurized air, we can operate the belt conveyor and also cutter with the aid of air pump. Okay. From this, we can get the sugar cane harvester for harvesting the sugar cane field, which is the portable machine. The two operators are enough to cut the 1 acre of field per day. It surely reduces the hazards for farmers available in field, like the snake, insects, and also the manpower shortage, and lifting the sugar cans from farm to vehicles. Likewise, lot of difficulties are reduced with this machine. Okay. The future machine, you see, in previous machine there is two saw type cutters, circular saw type cutters. We change that cutters it into band saw. We construct it into 4 levels. From this, we can individually cut 2 to 3 pieces of total sugarcane length, and we can collect this bottom tray. From this, we can cut the sugarcane into large numbers, from 2 to 3 numbers or 3 to 4 numbers from these bands of cutter. Okay, this is applied to Indian patent rights. Okay, you can refer from there. The future plans of these kind of portable machines, we can convert this machine into paddy harvesting and corn harvesting. Likewise, we can convert this machine into various applications. So that future plans also available with this portable type machine. Thank you. If you have any doubts, you may ask through comment box. Thank you all.